Hi everybody, it's Simon Hart here in the Wales office in London, wishing you well for the Wales Innovation Network conference today. Thank you very much for spending all the time and energy that you have on these really exciting proposals. I'm really keen to support the conference in any way we can, support the initiatives that you stand for. No question of doubt there's going to be a very different looking economy after COVID. It's going to be different, it's going to require innovation, new ideas, it's going to feel a bit different and quite rightly so. So thank you for everything you're doing with new ideas and new innovation. To help these ambitions, UK government is intending to spend 2.4% of GDP on research and development in the next 5 or 6 years. That's a big commitment. It shows, I hope, that we are serious about what we want to do and how we want to help bodies like yours achieve your own goals. And ultimately our aim here in Wales is to do 3 things. First of all, it's to level up. It's to try and make sure that everybody anywhere in Wales has the same degree of opportunity as possible. Secondly, it's to sustain and create jobs, maybe of a different kind than we used to over the next few years. So jobs and livelihoods will be central to this. And thirdly, of course, is to meet our net zero ambitions. Everybody knows what they are, everybody knows what the timescale is, everybody knows that it's an obligation, but it's also an opportunity. So thanks to everybody involved in that. I'm sure we'll achieve those objectives in the timescale that we've set. And if we do, it will be down to the work that you and your colleagues have been able to do.
At UKRI, we're very supportive of the creation of networks to support a vibrant research and innovation system. We care deeply about improving the diversity, engagement, resilience and connectivity within the system. You can only create really good research and innovation when you bring lots of diverse people with diverse ideas together. And that is what creates richer ideas and better solutions. We look forward to continuing to work with Welsh researchers and innovators on UK-wide opportunities.
Hello everyone. As Thales, we've been very proud to develop a thriving relationship with the university community in Wales. Our work developing the National Digital Exploitation Centre and our Resilient Works Living Laboratory in Isobel has been a partnership between us as industry, the Welsh Government and the universities of South Wales and Cardiff. We are exploring great future work with Danker and Glendower, but our perspective is always global. We compete in the UK and we compete in the world markets, in a world that is always getting more competitive, relying increasingly on networks of people and innovation. We know it is more important than ever to share expertise and intellectual firepower. We do this as a company, we do this as an industry, and we need to do this as an innovation community. As companies, investors, industrial innovators, we want to be able to access the combined innovation capability of Welsh universities. This is why it is my great pleasure to welcome the idea of Wales Innovation Network. As partners with your universities and a partner in Wales' future economy, we wish the network well, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you very much.
Just a few weeks ago, we at the CBI published a new economic strategy for the UK. We call it Seize the Moment to transform our economy for the decade ahead. And to pull that off, we are going to need a stronger than ever alliance between universities and business, working on a whole range of challenges, but perhaps the greatest of all, in economy like the modern economy, is for Britain to lead the world on innovation. And that's why I'm so pleased that universities in Wales have come together to form the Wales Innovation Network, which will look at research, development, insight and learning to push ahead the degree of innovation in the Welsh part of the economy, and hopefully for the lesson to catch on in all the devolved nations and regions of the UK. Congratulations for what you're doing. We're incredibly interested to hear what you're learning and to partner with you in the months and years to come.